بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنا فتحنا لك السكينة في قلوب المؤمنين ليزدادوا إيمانا مع إيمانهم ولله جنود السماوات والأرض وكان الله عليما حكيما ليدخل المؤمنين والمؤمنات جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها ويكفر عنهم سيئاتهم الله عليهم ولعنهم وأعد لهم جهنم وساءت مصيرا ولله جنود كان الله عزيزا حكيما صدق الله العظيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم.
The opening ceremony of the first Toddu Masters Table Tennis Tournament.
දිවෙහි රාජ්‍යයේ ප්‍රථම ෆහරක් බේවේ තොඩ්ඩු මාස්ටර්ස් ටේබල් ටෙනිස් මුබාරක් ෆෙෂුම්ගේ මේ ખાસ රස්මියාතන් හුරිහා බේෆුල්න වර හුණු මරුහබායි දන්නවන්.
This table tennis tournament is the very first Masters table tennis tournament to be held in the Maldives, and we are immensely proud to have the opportunity to host this historic event.
මියදකී තොඩ්ඩුව වරත් තාරීඛී දුවහේ රාජ්‍යයේ මි ෆෙම්වර්ගේ මාස්ටර්ස් ටේබල් ටෙනිස් මුබාරාතෙන් එම ප්‍රථම ෆහරක් බේවුම්ගේ ෆුරුසත තොඩ්ඩුව ලිබිගෙන් දියොග්මකී මිරෂල් ලිබුණු වරක් බොඩු ශරෆේ අදිමි ශරෆවරි මුබාරාතකී දිවෙහි රාජ්‍යයේ තාරීඛා රං අකුරුම් ෆවාද වේනේ මුබාරාතේ.
Before we proceed to announce the program of the event for today, we would like to warmly welcome our respected chief guest, His Excellency the President of Maldives, Dr. Muhammad Muiz, and convey our heart land Toddu.
මිෆදබඩු මුබාරාතෙන් අලුගණුමෙන්ගේ ලෝබි
support and participation of many international friends who could not join us this time. We hope to make the next one even better. Now, speaking as an athlete, I am convinced that the tournament is not just a competition. It is a reunion of friends and champions a meeting of minds and reflexes seasoned over decades, and a tribute to the enduring spirit of table tennis. Whether you are here to compete, to support, or simply to enjoy the thrill of world-class play, your presence adds train the students of Toddu School to officiate during this tournament. I wish to also thank the principal of Toddu School, Mr. Adam Afzal, and the senior management team at the Toddu School for their enthusiasm and hard work in organizing this inauguration ceremony. Also, a very special thanks to State Electric Company team in Toddu, led by General Manager Mr. Muawiyat Hassan in this venue. Finally, I wish to acknowledge the invaluable contribution of two very special people, Samahat and Masa. Our designing team, the beautiful artwork that you see all around us here as well as on social media, have been entirely done by them. We are extremely grateful to them for their pro bono support. Samahat, incidentally, is a former national champion, and her love for the sport has clearly not diminished. I do not wish to mention any more names because I could already be in trouble. But let me take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you who has in one way or the other assisted us and played a role to make this event a reality. Thank you all. Before I conclude, I would like to thank once again His Excellency Dr. Muhammad Muiz, President of the Republic of Maldives, for gracing this occasion. We remain deeply grateful. On behalf of the organizing committee, I wish all the players a most successful tournament and a most memorable stay in the Maldives. I thank you all.
Thank you, Mr. Latif. No celebration in Toddu is complete without the vibrant colors of our culture. Please enjoy this special cultural performance presented by the talented students of Toddu School.
Ade Todduaki Zamanussere Sagafi Kulivaruga Nam Vidarashika Vihindu Sagafi Kulai Neti Mifada Haflae Muli Bewumaki Muli Hafla Libe Folkamaka Nuni Nuanikan Yaging Vima Dingway Number Khasa Kolani Toddu School Ge Loboti Darivarung Hushala Deva Sagafi Harakataka.
Tara, also known as Tara Jehum, is a traditional form of Maldivian music and dance with a semi-religious touch. It is a performance carried out exclusively by men and has been a part of
Male Gende Ifave, Mige Terega, Ingiresi Rani, Malaysiage Bodu Wazir, Mahathir Muhammad, Adi Sakuge Hagaumuge emme Iswering Himene, Mi Firihenuna Hasa Adabori Kulivare, Tara Jehumga eta Hunartake Ekuleifave, Tara Jehuma Kuladana eta Muriduntake Midunia Dukofa Vati, Tara Vani Hiner coming Asfa.
Let us now take a moment to appreciate the generous contributions of our valued sponsors and Managing Director of Thoddu Local Authority Company.
මිහෆ්ලාගා දෙන් කුරියන් ඔන්නානි මුබාරක් බේවුම එහි තෙරිවේ දෙව්වේ හුරිහා ස්පොන්සරුන් අදී පාර්ට්නරුන්ගේ අගවසන් කුරුම්ගේ ගොතුන් දෙවේ හඳානි ෆිලාතක් බස්සා දෙවුන් මේ නම්බර් ෆුරිහම කොද්දෙවානි TLAC ගේ මැනේජින් ඩිරෙක්ටර් අල්ෆාදිල් අහ්මද් ආසිෆ්
Company. Muawiyat Hassan from State Electric Company. Adam Adim, representative of Print Lab. Ahmad Shuaib from ECCAF. Adam Afsal, Principal of Thoddu School.
نبينا محمد وآله وصحبه وسلم මේ හෆ්ලාගේ ඉස්සතෙරි ශරෆරි මෙහමාන් දිහරාජ්‍යගේ ඉස්සතෙරි රයිසුල් ජුම්හූරියා ඩොක්ටර් මොහම්මද් මොයිස් කැබිනට් මිනිස්ටරුන් තොඩ්ඩු කවුන්සිල්ගේ රයිස් ටේබල් ටෙනිස් ඇසෝසියේෂන්ගේ රයිස් ආදී මුබාරක් organized Korabi Farad organizing committee
Prestigious award is presented by the Alif Alif Thoddu Council in recognition of exceptional dedication and service. The recipient is Ambassador Ahmad Latif of Hemwer Seaweed, the visionary who pioneered this project, transformed a dream into reality, and devoted his time and energy to make this tournament a success. This award is a heartfelt token of appreciation from the Secretariat of the Thoddu Council in recognition of Ambassador Latif's unwavering commitment and tireless efforts. Ambassador Latif has been a driving force behind the development of table tennis in Maldives.